Hey guys, just coming to you here real quick. So I just finished up the CommBox install, which it has turned out great. You know, BMW apps on your phone, send everything to your navigation, your CIC retrofit and stuff like that. You can get actually the album art. So as far as whatever you're listening to on Pandora, right on your navigation screen, just added functions and features. And of course the Bluetooth is now through the navigation. Before I had my little USB to aux, which did work great, but now it's great to have it actually integrated through the BMW system. So I'm just finishing up editing that footage right now. So you'll have that full DIY and I could just give you a sneak peek here as far as you know, what I took out and the new CommBox in there. But I will be in California next week. So if you guys are close around the Rancho Cucamonga area, Ontario area, West Covina area, around that general area, let me know down in the comment section below. Also reach out to me on Instagram. If you guys are local, I know there's plenty of you guys that are very close to that area. So I definitely want to check out the cars and stuff like that. So, you know, send me a message on there as well. So Instagram is BMW Fanatic _YouTube. So let's take a look at the CommBox. So this is what I removed out of the car. This top one is your TCU. This bottom one is your MULF, since I have the USB in the center console. So both of these are removed out of the car. If you just have one, then obviously you're just removing the one. But don't need these anymore. Now I gotta put my liner back in the trunk here. But here is the new plug and play CommBox. Some stuff doesn't, you know, just will stay unplugged. And of course, you know, Nick doing all the coding. There's your little terminator there. So once you're done with all that, you just put your trunk liner back in. Very simple install, and then just the coding that he'll do. So I'll have all that in the video for you guys to see as far as the full DIY and all the coding that he did as well. It's definitely a great kit and just adds to the CIC retrofit navigation that I currently do have. If you guys haven't seen my CIC retrofit navigation install, check out the video up above. Great one, and then stay tuned for the CommBox, and hopefully I'll see you guys out here in California here next week. All right, big thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks, and I hope you have a great weekend. Take care.